how to fix screen flickering issues in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So first thing first, the reason why you might be facing screen flickering might be because of the wires or the cables that are connected on your secondary monitor, or you might be having problem in your screen hardware. So first thing I want to suggest you to do is to repair the cables and make sure that the cables are inserted properly on your computer and the wires are functional. And the next thing that you can do is go to device manager and manually update the drivers. Instead of searching automatically for drivers, click and browse my computer to drivers and click let me pick a list of available drivers on my computer, and from here select your graphics adapter and manually reinstall the drivers, both the integrated and dedicated graphic. And also do the same for monitor. Expand the monitors and go to integrated monitor and manually update the graphics driver and restart your computer, and it should help to solve your problem. If not, go to Windows and type check for updates and make sure that your computer is up to date. And that's it. So if you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe and not forget to leave us a like and comment. Thank you.